Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through on how to carry out your company name reservation. Let's go guys. So before you want to come to this stage, don't forget you would have created an account with this Corporate Affairs Commission. So whichever is the account, either an individual account or accredited agent account, whatever the account is, the platform is all the same. So when you come to your dashboard, this is how the dashboard looks like. So you want to come to this part, new reservation. So I'll click on new reservation. So here under the business classification, if you're going for a business name reservation, it's actually the same thing. You just have to come here, you click on business name here, then the business type, you click on sole proprietor, then you continue. So also if you want to go for company name reservation, you click on under the business name, you click on company, then under the business type, you click on private company limited by shares, then you click on continue. Everything is the same process, but in this video we are going to be going with company. So the purpose of this video, we are here for company name reservation. So just continue with this and click on continue. Now, here is the company information. You are asked to enter a business name of your choice. So I'll go ahead and input the proposed name. And under the nature of category, this is where you choose the category that best describe your business. You go through it very well and see the one that describe the business you're about to offer the public. So I'll just go for other service activities. So now under the specific nature of business, you want to look at it also. It's the same process. Look at the one that actually goes and suits your business. So I'll go for other service activity as well. So when you are done, you just want to check on availability. You wait for it to load. And it says, sorry, the proposed name did not pass the compliance check. Okay, they have a business name too similar to this, so you want to take this. So I'll just input another name. Actually, I asked my clients to give me several names, 4 to 5 names. So I'll just try it and check the one that is available. So if after everything I'm done checking and there is none in the names given to me that are available, so I'll just get a name for him and continue. When I'm done, I'll get back to my clients to check if the name is suitable for him before I continue the registration. So I'll advise you have more than one name so that it will be easy for you and it will be stress-free as well. So I'll check availability again. Okay, you see this one now, it went through. They say, congratulations, the proposed name is available for registration. This is part of the names my client gave me. So with this, we are good to go. So if yours is still giving you to continue, sorry, to change the name, just make sure before you start you have more than one names so that the process will be easy for you. So when you have gotten to this part, you want to click on continue. Continue to payment. So now we are asked to pay a total amount of 500 naira. So I'll click on remittal. So now this is where you are asked to either you input your card number or you pay through bank transfer or USSD code or any of the options that is suitable for you. So the total amount we have to pay is 663 naira 94 kobo. So for this particular company name to be reserved for us, so I'll just go ahead and input my card number. Now this is where they will send you a code. They send a code to your phone, so you make sure your phone is handy. Then you quickly enter the code sent to you. So you just click verify and proceed. So they are processing our payment. You wait for it. So here they say your transaction was successful. So now this is the receipt for our payment. This is our AV code. So you just want to copy it. So as I said earlier, it is actually a very easy step and easy process. There is no big deal with it. If you want to register your business name, it's actually the same process with the company name reservation. So thank you so much for coming this far. If you've gotten value from this, I want you to reward me by liking this video, comment, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video for the company registration. Thank you and God bless.